What is going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. So we're starting with Dogecoin this morning. So I did make a previous video on this yesterday on how we would more than likely bounce from this 26-cent area. And if you look, this is where we were yesterday. And I told you after this parabolic move that we came up and would rest on this this support line, that more than likely that we would bounce from this level. And I said I have a tight stop loss, so you probably wouldn't have been tagged out, but these small wicks that I always mention, they do peekaboo below these levels sometimes, so that's why you always give yourself some room, so ultimately you don't get tagged out and it go higher like it did here. So if you did watch that video and see how I was saying that we would bounce from this level, you can see clearly now the next day here we are. We have this candlestick that came all the way up into our prior resistance line. See, this is why we have these lines, you guys. They help a lot. So if anybody's telling you that technical analysis does not work, I would tell them to go watch a couple of my videos and see how dead accurate some of these predictions that I make. But yeah, you can see that we came all the way up into this prior major resistance, and since we just have this huge engulfing candlestick, we can consider this really overextended as of right now. So as of right now, getting in as an entry after seeing this is not really the smartest idea. If we look on the 1 hour chart, you just see green bar, green bar, green bar. We want to be able to see at least a 50% retracement pullback. Yes, this can be considered a 50% retracement, but it's pretty choppy. So what we're looking for to get into this trade, because I know a lot of you guys don't want to miss out after missing this initial bounce from this 26 cent level. Let me zoom out and go back to the daily. So what we're looking for, more than likely you'll end up looking on the 1 hour chart if you're going to be waiting for this entry, but we're going to wait for us to break above this resistance line. Yes, we did with this candlestick, but that just shows that buyers are no longer stepping up as of right now. But we want to further confirm that we are continuing this uptrend, and the only way to do that is if we can break above this resistance line, come up a little bit, and come back down and retest this as a floor. So what works as resistance prior will work as a floor or a support in the future if it does break above those areas. So yeah, we need this to break above at least this resistance area for it to come up and come down and retest. At that point, the 33-cent area, 32-cent area would be perfect. You just have your stop loss on the opposite side of this resistance line down here. Like I said, always give yourself some wiggle room, just like how over here this candlestick kind of peekabooed through and peekabooed through on this side. That tends to happen, so that's why you always give yourself just a little bit of room. Put it maybe at the 31 cent or 30. Yeah, the 31 cent is pretty decent. And then your first target, if we were to come up and come back down on here and this was your entry, your first target would be back up here at the 40-cent area, and that'd be at the previous highest point in prior price action history. So, and then after that, we would have to wait, because if we get any higher than that, it's all void and it has not reached those highs yet. So we would have to do more due diligence if we do hit that level. So as of right now, like I said, just be patient. If you did miss this bounce, don't worry, there's other opportunities coming, you guys. So if you guys like this video that I did and how I broke it down, I really appreciate it if you could just hit that like and subscribe button. I'll do another update on this one tomorrow morning, just kind of see where we're at. But like I said, as of right now, just wait for us to break past this 33-cent area and for us to come back down and retest it as a floor, okay? But other than that, stay tuned for my other videos this morning, and you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.